Zhengzhou Minter Medical Equipment Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional manufacturer engaged in research, development, production, sale, and service of physical therapy equipment and healthcare products. Main products include laser therapy equipment, tourmaline mattress, massager gun, eye massager, pain relief patch, and so on. Minter is located in high-tech development zone of Zhengzhou City, a national central city of China, with convenient transportation system. Minter is high-tech enterprise of Henan Province, premium local brand of Zhengzhou City, technology-intensive enterprise of Zhengzhou City, Vice President Company of Medical Equipment Association of Zhengzhou City, etc. Minter has strong research and innovation capability and is authorized many intellectual property certificates, including Certificate of Intellectual Property Rights Management System, Certificate of Computer Software Copyright, and so on. Minter has modernized production lines and advanced equipment, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Zhengzhou Minter pays great attention to international markets and attends international medical equipment exhibitions every year to keep pace with the development trend. Minter is persistently strengthening research and development ability, improving products quality, and expanding after-sales service network. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Sincerely hope to establish win-win business relationship with customers all over the world.